Yeah, hi everyone. Today we'll be looking at the question rotate array. Okay, so the question is pretty simple and straightforward, and it says that you are given an array nums, okay, and we have to rotate the array to the right by k terms, where k is non-negative. Basically, for example, we are given this array, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, we are given this array, and what you have to do is you have to rotate it to the right hand side by k steps, which is 3 here. So basically, if you rotate it by 3, then you know, sorry, yeah. So one will be, so basically, what will happen is one will go to the right side by 3, will increase to the right by 3 steps. Okay, so basically, it will be 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right, because 1 move to here, 2 move to here, 3 move to here, 4 move to here, and these will like go up front because it is the end of the array. Okay. Okay, so how do we, let's see the see the logic behind this, and that will be very straightforward logic, and that is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. This is the array, right? So if we see, uh, then if you see, then you have to move the array right towards the right by k times. Okay, so let's 3, that is 3. Okay, so of if we see, okay, if we see the third, okay, 3. So let's split it into two arrays. This is the left hand side, okay, of the point, um, to which the we have to move the array. Like, this is k, right? This is the left hand side of k, and this is the right hand side of k, right? Right. And if we see, then the one of the solutions that we can do, right, is basically we will take an array. Um, let's suppose this is an answer array, and what we will do is we will fill the left hand side, sorry, the right hand side first, right? Okay, I think I did something wrong here. Yes. So for k equals to 3, it should be here because it is a zero indexing. Right. So left hand side will be here. Okay. This is the right hand side, this is the right hand side. Okay. So what we'll do is basically we will fill the right hand side first, 5, 6, 7. Then we will fill the left hand side because that is exactly what means. It means to rotate it by the right hand side. Okay. This is one of the examples here. Although the time complexity will be O of n, but the space complexity will be of n as well because we are taking another array. We are storing the data in another array. Okay. Okay. So let's see what we can do if we have to do it in O of n time and O of one space complexity. Okay. Linear time complexity and uh, yeah, no extra space is used. So what we can do is, if we look carefully, then what is happening is, like, what is happening is, if we see clearly, if we see, thoroughly, so what is happening is basically, like, okay, for once, if we take, this array by reverse, this will be 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, right? Now let's say we create, you know, the line here, okay, k equals to, this is total n minus k minus 1, I think that should be it, right? This is like yeah, 6, 7 minus 1, 6 minus 6 minus 3, that is 3. Yeah, right. Okay, so if we see, Okay, so this is that, n minus, so n is 7, 7 minus 1 minus 3, that is 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. No, that is not actually k minus 1. It is, okay, okay. So if we see here, yeah, okay. So after reversing, can you see we can see very clearly that actually we get these three things, okay, in front that we actually wanted, right? These three indices, these three elements should be a front that we have done, and left hand side is actually the right hand side now, okay. But there is just one difference, that is the order is completely reversed, right? So all we need to do is, if I reverse the left hand side and the right hand side separately, then we will get our required answer. That is like, yeah, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that is the main logic behind it. So basically, if we want, basically what we want is we want to convert the RH right hand side to the left hand side. Okay, that is the main logic behind it. So we'll reverse this array, but when we reverse this array, we saw that although the right hand side elements are here now, okay, the right hand side has become the left hand side, but they are in reverse. So we will just reverse the two sides of the array, that is left hand side and right hand side separately, and we'll get the desired answer. Okay, so let's look at the code which we can do. Okay, here, so what we'll do first is, we are given an array, so let's just take the length of this array. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll first let's reverse the entire array. Okay, so you can say that nums will be equal to nums of reverse. Okay, basically that is how you reverse an array in Python. We can also like just write a function as well, but yeah. So we have reversed the array. Now what we'll do is, for elements from 0 to what is this, right? This is k minus 1, 0, 1, 2, right? I think like that is what it is, I think. Okay, so um, yeah, that is what it is. So we'll reverse from here to here. We will reverse that. Okay, so nums of k equal to minus 1. Then for nums of k plus 1 to n, I think will be k plus 1 to n, or the end of the array will be nums of k plus 1. Okay, plus 1 to n, and this is also reversed. And we return num. Okay, one more thing that there is that um, k can be 7 as well, right? K can be 8 as well. So if we have to reverse it by 8, what will it mean is, like, if we reverse the array completely by 7, right? The n. If we rotate the array to the right by n, then it will mean that the array will be equal to the array that we have initially, initial array. Okay, right? So we can say that if k is greater than n, okay, then basically uh, um, k is greater than n, n, then it will be rotated by n minus k, right? Or you can say that, or we can say in like mathematical terms, we can say that k percentage n, okay, like 8 percentage 7 is basically 1, will be the times number of times we need to rotate the array to the right hand side. Okay, Okay, so we'll just do that as well. We'll just do k will be equal to percentage to n, right? Now let's just run this and test that if it is working or not. Okay, so it is not working exactly, and I think it is because we have not returned anything. No, we do not have to return anything, I guess. Okay, so what are we exactly doing wrong? Right. Mm, let's see if that makes any sense. It does, but at the same time, this is 567, 567, and we have this 4. So I think that it should be here as well. Okay, think that should be the case. No. Okay, yeah, I guess because the first one is not getting. I think I, yeah, mistook that. So yeah, that is it. What we did was we reversed the array completely once, then we reversed the left part and the right part of the array separately, and that is what is the optimal solution. As we can see that it is beating 97.79% or 98% of the solutions. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you for watching, guys.